Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Raj Tutorial. I am Sonakshi Kumari and today in this video I will teach you about difference between education and learning. मीन्स शिक्षा और अधिगम में क्या अंतर है, ये आज हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले कि आगे बढ़ूं, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड प्रेस बेल आइकन सो दैट यू विल गेट नोटिफिकेशन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू नो अबाउट एडुकेशन वर्सेस लर्निंग, हम लोग को ये जरूर पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज एडुकेशन एंड व्हाट इज लर्निंग। तो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने पिछले वीडियो में आप लोग को एडुकेशन में शिक्षा के बारे में कंप्लीट डिटेल्स दी हूँ। अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो ऊपर में जो आई दिख रहा है उस पर क्लिक करें तो वो वीडियो ओपन हो जाएगा। Link of that video is also given in description box so you can go through it. Now come to know first what is learning. Means अधिगम किसे कहते हैं? Learning is not something that takes place within the boundaries of a classroom. Means learning is defined as a process of behavior modification through experiences, exercise and efforts. Rather, it takes place anywhere, anytime, from anyone. Traditional Indian literature has examples where people learn from trees, mountains, rivers, insects, etc. It means learning is something which is possible anywhere. Learning is not acquired by birth, but it is the process of acquiring competence by using hereditary resources. मीन्स अगर हम लोग बोले फ्रेंड्स कि मनुष्य को जीवन में जन्म से लेकर मृत्यु तक सीखना ही है। जैसे कि हम एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं। जब कोई छोटा सा बच्चा जलती हुई मैचस्टिक को एक बार हाथ लगाता है और उसे पता चलता है कि उसे हाथ लगाने से जल जाता है, तो वो दूसरी बार कोई भी जलती हुई चीज छूने से पहले 10 बार सोचेगा और वो उस चीज को नहीं छुएगा। So, learning is storing information that can be reproduced. Means हम जो सीखते हैं वो अपने अंदर रखते हैं और जब जरूरत होती है उस लर्निंग को यूज करते हैं। Not only the modification of behavior by acquiring good things as per the social norms, learning, but even behavior modification by acquiring bad things also comes under learning. In other words, we can say that learning leads to change in behavior, but this doesn't necessarily mean that these changes always bring about improvement or positive development. It depends on individual that what he acquires through learning, positive skills or negative skills. Let us have a look at the definition of learning given by various psychologists and educationists. First, Hurlock in 1942 said that learning is development that comes from exercise and effort. Through learning, children acquire competence in using their hereditary resources. Means according to Hurlock, learning is development in which there is progressive series of changes that occur in an orderly predictable pattern as a result of maturation and experience. Second, Hilgard Atkinson in 1979 said that learning may be defined as a relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of prior experience. Third, Murphy in 1968 said that the term learning covers every modification in behavior to meet environmental requirements. Next, Fagin in 1958 said that learning is a sequence of mental events or conditions leading to change in learner. We all learn completely about the meaning of learning. Now come to what is difference between education and learning. So first one is education is what people do to you. Means शिक्षा वो है जो आपको दी जाती है, चाहे वो स्कूल में हो, कॉलेज में हो या घर में हो। एंड लर्निंग इज व्हाट यू डू फॉर योरसेल्फ। मीन्स जो हम देखकर खुद से सीखते हैं वो हम लर्निंग कहा जाता है, चाहे वो कहीं भी हो, स्कूल में सीखे, घर में सीखे, अपने सोसाइटी में देखकर सीखें। जो हम खुद के लिए सीखते हैं उसे लर्निंग कहते हैं। Education is something that one gets at some point in their life. Means when we start going to school, college or institute, at that time we get education. But for learning, an individual learn from his birth till his death. Next one is education is something that an individual gets from an outside source. On the other hand, learning is something that evolves in the inner self. Another thing that can be said that education is a formal process and learning is an informal process. Meaning of education, formal and informal, I already teach you in my previous video. If you have not seen, please go through the link given in the description box and know completely about the formal and informal education. Education is something that one gets from a school or university. It is related to classroom learning and some other set standards. On the contrary, learning evolves at the personal level for which there are no set standards. A tutor imparts education, whereas an individual learns from his surroundings. Education is the process of imparting knowledge, values, skills, and attitudes which can be beneficial to an individual. On the other hand, learning is the process of adopting knowledge, values, and skills. So, friends, if you find this video needful, then press like and subscribe to my channel Raj Tutorial, which can be benefit so that you can get more videos. For more contents, like our Facebook page also, link is given in the description box. Thank you, friends.